Hi, I'm Ria Michelle and I'm here with Color Wow to talk about my new favorite hairstyle, Dream Waves. So this is my new favorite thing ever. This is Dream Coat. It is super lightweight and you never feel weighed down by product at all. After I shampoo and condition, I basically saturate my hair from root to tip with Dream Coat, and then I blow dry with tension, and then I get a silky smooth finish. So I have extensions for the ease of extensions. Dream Coat is absolutely perfect for that. Extensions can get really coarse very easily, so it's really important to use a product that can keep your hair silky smooth and have a really great texture. Yes, I love the shine that I get from Dream Coat, but what I love even more is that I can wave my hair, go outside, and fight the humidity. You know, you get your hair the way you want it, and you go out and your hair stays in the style that you set it in. It's a miracle. If you want dreamy waves like these, follow me and Color Wow for more tips and dreamy hairstyles.